guys? It's your boy here. Today we're unboxing sorry guys. Today I'm gonna unbox a fidget spinner. So let's do it. Shit. Whoa! Just came off. Whoa! It's a little heavy. And sorry guys that I didn't do a video about I'm unboxing this fidget spinner. So yeah, I'm not gonna give away any fidget spinners because my red one I lost it, and my golden one I traded it. Yeah, yeah, let's see who's the fastest. The yellow fidget spinner or the blue fidget spinner? This is so little too. This is so little too. So wait, let me spin it, guys. I need to put my camera down right now. So yeah, I'm sorry. See? Okay, they're going right now, bro. Okay, let's see who's fastest. What is so freaking? Let's see who's gonna win. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Oh, the blue is starting to slow down. Whoa, the yellow one. Ooh. The blue one lost, the new one lost. But still good, guys. This one's still good. This one is the winner. This one is the winner. So yeah, this one is the winner. So, what fidget spinner do you like? Yellow one or blue one? So, bye guys. Peace out. Make sure to subscribe to my videos and like and subscribe.